Are you tired of Google Chrome automatically downloading files without asking? Or maybe you'd prefer to give certain websites permission to download more than one file at a time? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to enable or disable automatic downloads in Google Chrome. By the end of this video, you'll have complete control over which sites can download files on your device, so you can boost your privacy or save time, all in just a few easy steps. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're not rushing through this part. Sometimes we're tempted to just double-click and keep going, but it's best to let Chrome finish loading before you move on. Once you're in Chrome, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see those familiar three dots stacked vertically. This is Chrome's menu button, and it's the gateway to all kinds of settings you might not have explored before. Go ahead and click those three dots. This opens up a drop-down menu filled with options. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. Just scan down until you see Settings and give that a click. This will take you into Chrome's Control Center, where you can adjust everything from how it handles passwords to the way your browser interacts with websites. Once you're in the Settings page, look to the left-hand side of your screen for a sidebar. Find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Clicking here gives you access to a bunch of features that protect your data and control what websites can and cannot do in your browser. Now, we want to focus on controlling downloads, so within Privacy and Security, you'll need to find and click on Site Settings. This area is all about managing what sites are allowed to access, like your location, camera, and of course, your downloads. Now, scroll down slowly until you see Additional Permissions. This section covers a few extras that aren't in Chrome's main settings list. Click into it, and then watch for the option called Automatic Downloads. Clicking here brings up the crucial part of today's tutorial, the controls that let you enable or disable automatic downloads for websites. At this point, you'll see two different options. The first one says, sites can ask to automatically download multiple files. The second says, don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. Here's what these mean. If you leave the first option turned on, sites have to request your permission before they download several files at once. It's a safeguard, so you won't end up with a flood of files from an unfamiliar or potentially risky website. If you select the second option, Chrome will block sites completely from downloading multiple files in one go, meaning you get a stricter layer of protection against anything unexpected. Take a moment to decide which option suits your browsing habits. For example, if you often download archived photo albums or receive bulk invoices from a trusted site, you might want to allow requests. If you're concerned about privacy, or you just want to stay extra safe, go ahead and block these multi-file downloads. That's all there is to it. Changing this setting only takes a couple of minutes, but it can make a big difference in how you manage downloads and protect your information online. If any part of this process feels tricky, just pause and rewind. You won't break anything by double-checking. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped clear things up, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more helpful guides just like this one. Got a question about Chrome or another tech tip you want explained? Drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. See you in the next video.